Hey, good morning everybody. So, gonna do a little unboxing of the RTIC Outdoors 28 can soft-sided cooler. So, this is designed by RTIC Outdoors in Cypress, Texas. This is their black soft-sided cooler. Their motto is overbuilt, not overpriced. So, let's go ahead and check this out. Bubble wrap. So this is the black soft-sided cooler. It's got nice carry handles on the side. Pretty sweet. Nice front pocket. We've got a little T-handle zipper on there. Zipper's nice and smooth. This is the insulated. Nice front pocket. This is going to be my everyday lunch pail. So anyway, never tried them. They had a good deal. Check them out at RTIC Outdoors. And I believe you get them on Amazon and stuff as well. So, but same with the top. It's got these nice zipper pulls on there. Nice T-style zipper pulls. Zippers are nice and smooth. Little RTIC Outdoors sticker. And then, okay, so got a nice carry strap. Nice no slip grip on it. See, it's insulated. Let's get some dimensions for you. All right, so outside dimension, it looks like it's about 11 inches tall. We're gonna go, and it's 14 inches wide, outer dimension, and it is about 10 and a half, pretty much, for here to here, and then with the pocket, the front pocket, expanded a little bit where it sits just naturally. Let's see if we get this right on. Looks like it's about 12 to 12 and an eighth. So the inside, what was the outside? About 11. And so inside, it's really nice. Feels like it's got about half-inch thick insulation in it, or pretty close. Yeah, probably half-inch, 3/8, something in there. Nice thick insulation. This should work really well for the cold, or if you put warm stuff in there, same thing. It should be really nice. So we are looking from the bottom about 10 3/4 off the bottom of the insulation, from the bottom to the top of the zipper here. So if we were to do this, yeah, it's 10 and a half. That was at the zipper. So with the zipper folded down where it would be is about 10 and a half. Kind of hard to get a inside measurement on it without really trying to press it all out and make it expand. Looks like about 9 and a half to, well, maybe 9 1/4. It's kind of hard because it's kind of puffy, you know, and to get a true diameter, I guess, without having to push it all out and distort it. But yeah, it's a very nice bag. It's got really nice stitching, really nice smooth zippers. Liking that a lot. And snap-on shoulder strap. So this expands pretty small. You can see it goes even smaller than that, and that's pretty small to pretty good. So got a lot of room, carry it however you need to be, you know, that's nice. Hold on to it, and it's got these nice elasticy side pockets on there for snacks or napkins or water bottles or whatever you're going to use it for. This is going to be my work bag, so put something in there. So, anyway, there it is, RTIC Outdoors 28 can soft-sided cooler. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you at all, please hit that thumbs up button for the like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.